Kudos to you for deciding to take the plunge into the marketing business by getting access to marketing blocks. It's an excellent choice. You see, in today's digital world, it's a no-brainer that this booming industry is where all the real money is. And now that you've joined the big sharks in the marketing world, it's high time you build your own profitable marketing consultancy business. Now, that means managing multiple clients and churning out exciting marketing proposals every single day. And guess what? With access to marketing blocks, you truly now already have the power to create high-converting marketing assets by the minute. So servicing multiple clients will be a piece of cake for you. You could deal with any number of clients on a daily basis without exhausting content or running out of ideas ever. But wait a minute, let me ask you, what if you could start your very own marketing consultancy business? Wouldn't that be exciting? I mean, guys that I know like Gary Vaynerchuk and Neil Patel are making millions of dollars now running a consultancy business. Just take a look at how well these guys are doing for themselves. Gary's net worth today is estimated to be a whopping $160 million, and Neil's is now worth about $30 million. And it's not just them. Regular folks like you and me are charging over $250 per hour and making millions of dollars in profits. And if you're thinking that you probably can't do that, well, because you have no experience or expertise in consulting, I really do have to show you something. Presenting Marketing Block's Done For You Consultancy Package. Pay attention. Now you can set up your own widely successful marketing consultancy business in minutes and secure clients by leveraging our proven-to-convert toolkits included with this package. And the best part, you get to keep 100% of the profits of all the sales that you make. No royalties, no commissions to be paid to us or anyone. When you upgrade today, we work with you to ensure you position yourself as the top marketer in the industry. The tools included inside this done-for-you package are amazing, and they'll help you effortlessly charge a premium fee by offering the following as done-for-you services: marketing consultation services, social media consultation services, funnel consultation services, graphics and design consultation services, branding consultation services, and more. When you upgrade today, you also unlock team member or client access. Now that means you could create and manage unlimited workspaces right inside your Marketing Blocks dashboard. Now you can scale up your agency by adding additional users and workspaces to your account. Hire outsourcers to find the very best resources in the market and grow your business faster by adding a few additional hands to your account, or provide limited access to clients. Now, the best part is that you get full control over which team member gets access and to what extent. You keep the master control while delegating certain client accounts to your team members. Here's everything you get with the Marketing Blocks Done For You Consultancy Package. First of all, you get a professional and attractive marketing consultancy website, guaranteed to capture audience attention and trigger action. Number 2, you get access to professional Word and PowerPoint proposals that are designed to create a lasting impression on your clients. Number 3, fully customizable commercial graphics and illustration templates to secure your professional image in the marketing industry. This includes business cards, trifold brochures for branding, professional letterheads, and an invoice template as well. Number 4 done-for-you Facebook ad creatives to level up your social media game, along with web banners and Google ads to establish your digital marketing presence. Number 5, done-for-you and ready-to-mail email sequences, along with telemarketing script templates that you or your salesperson can use to easily close clients live on the phone. And finally, number 6, we have included an attorney-drawn legal document, a contract, to lock in the highest possible security for your business as well. Oh, did we say finally? There are so many things to talk about that we forgot to mention the most exciting feature. This is going to blow your mind. With this incredible upgrade, we have decided to give you access to our contact database of not 1, Not 10, but millions of businesses in the U.S. and more. All the details of high-paying leads at your fingertips. It doesn't get any more exciting than this. Or does it? Well, at such an incredibly low price, you're already getting the deal of the century, really. But we know it sounds too good to be true, and you might have your doubts. We get that. So, in order to make it completely risk-free for you, we are offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, zero worries, zero hesitation. This is the perfect companion if you are thinking of making it big with marketing blocks or thinking about making it big in the marketing industry at all. You better prepare yourself for a shower of profits on a daily basis. Think about everything you're getting with this upgrade, and now think about how much time and money it would take you to get all these tools and bonuses if you try to source them yourself. Crazy, right? Now that you know the offer, it's time to present you with a red warning sign. This offer is valid only for a limited amount of time. Once the offer expires, this page will be taken down. You really need to grab this deal before it's too late. We don't want this missed opportunity to keep you up at night. Like we said before, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to worry about. Click the link below this video and add this incredibly powerful marketing package to your purchase. Hurry!